Hello, today we will guide you through how to close all positions on MT5 Mobile. If you need to quickly exit every open trade in your MT5 Mobile account, this process is simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact path inside the app so you can close all positions efficiently and with confidence. As always, before you confirm any action involving open trades, take a brief moment to review your positions, since closing everything at once can immediately lock in profits or losses. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched and fully loaded, make sure you are on the main trading interface. If you've just opened the app, give it a second to refresh your account data so your latest open positions are visible and up to date. This helps ensure you're working with the most current information before making any changes. Next, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. This section is where MT5 displays your active positions, pending orders, balance information, and overall trading activity. You'll want to be in this area because the option to manage and close positions is located here. After that, look toward the middle right side of the screen and tap the three-dot menu. This menu opens additional account and trade management options that may not be visible on the main trade screen. If you don't see it right away, pause for a moment and scan the screen carefully, as menu placement can appear slightly different depending on your device or app version. Once the menu opens, tap on Close. This takes you one step closer to the bulk close action. At this point, MT5 is preparing to show you the available closing options for your open trades. Be attentive here, especially if you have multiple positions running, because the next selection will apply across all of them. Finally, tap on Close All Position. This command tells MT5 to close every currently open position in your account at once. After you select it, there may be a confirmation prompt depending on your app version or trading setup. If so, review the action carefully and confirm only when you're ready. And that's it. You've now learned how to close all positions on MT5 Mobile. If you're managing fast-moving markets, this can be a useful feature to know, especially when you need to exit trades quickly without closing them one by one.